Hey guys, welcome back to an quick form video. Let me remove this real quick. But in today's video, we're talking about T-Mobile prepaid and how they have changed their plans. Maybe not the best thing, but maybe. So, I don't know. Let's go ahead and take a look at today's video with you guys. Let's get into it. Of course, these plans, it looks like, will be starting to roll out on June 24th. So it's about 2 days from the making of this video. So not too bad at all. Let's get into it. It says the update includes 3 revised or new plans. Which one exists? Existing plans appear to be on a chopping block. As expected, T-Mobile is marketing the revision as improvements. However, these may not seem to be. Might be actually price hikes and downgrades. So let's get into today's hot take. So T-Mobile's prepaid pending plan changes. Here's what are going to change. It looks like. So there's going to be, it looks like 3 plans. And of course, this is by bestmvno.com. Check them out, guys. They do a really good job. But I like to give you my honest thoughts and opinions. And first time looking at this article, so I haven't read it. I like to do a live, even though it's not live, but like a live, non-edited point of view. So it says the $40 plan. Okay, so that's a good starting off for one line. So it says moving forward, the $40 plan will be known as starter monthly instead of just T-Mobile prepaid 10 gigs. Okay. The plan is getting a data allotment increase to 15 gigs. Okay, so they're increasing the data allotment. That sounds good. And presumably we'll start having hotspot use. Wow, look at that. Unfortunately, the base price of the plan is no longer 40, of course. It will be increased to 45, but you can still get it at $40, guys, if you enable auto pay. So, okay, not bad. Now, the middle tier plan is the $50 plan. Most likely probably unlimited. Yep. It says the $50 plan will be called unlimited monthly. Nothing is changing with this plan except the price, which will still be $50 a month unless you enable autopay billing to lower to $45 a month. So wow, that didn't change at all, except for now if you do autopay and paperless billing, or just autopay, should I say, billing, that's what they call it. You can get it down to 45. It will continue to include unlimited hotspot at 3 gigabytes or 3G data speeds. Not bad. T-Mobile claims, and correctly, that it is now the lowest price carrier branded prepaid unlimited data plan on the market. Verizon and AT&T's branded prices started at about $5 more a month higher. Wow, okay. Now we get to the big boy right here, the $60 plan. So this $60 plan will keep its name Unlimited Plus, of course. Outside of that, the plan is seeing the most changes. It does gain talk and text roaming while talking in Canada and Mexico, and there are 2 negative changes. The base price will now be $65 a month without autopay billing enabled, or $60 if you do have the autopay. Full speed hotspot on the plan is being downgraded from 10 gigabytes to 5. Ooh. Alright, it says taxes. Ow, just bit myself, sorry. Taxes and fees will continue to cost extra for each plan. T-Mobile is introducing a 5-year price guarantee for all the plans, matching the guarantee of course Metro and other competitors. The updated unlimited plan will continue to include 50 gigs of premium data before being deprioritized, and video streams remain at 480. So if you like to watch your videos on your phone like I do without Wi-Fi, you might want to look elsewhere. This is a $55 plan. Absent from T-Mobile's press release is a mention of their $55 monthly plan, which included unlimited talk, text, and data, and 5 gigs data, 3 gigabytes of full speed hotspot, and talk and text roaming in Canada and Mexico, with some of these features appearing to be revised plans. And they're just saying why you may want to avoid these plans. It says most customers seeking service on T-Mobile's network should probably skip these T-Mobile prepaid offerings and look elsewhere. Like I said, if you want unlimited data, well, it's not here, even though they do give you 50 gigs of premium data, and then after that you are deprioritized. But if you want full-blown data, you might not want this. And also if you want higher video streaming, which I do, and unlimited hotspot, like I said, there's like Visible and stuff like that, out there. So it says T-Mobile's other prepaid brands, including Metro by T-Mobile, Ultra Mobile, and Mint Mobile, will offer you more value for less. For instance, Metro by T-Mobile offers truly unlimited data plan for BYODs for just $25 a month. That's what I don't get, guys. Like, everybody does it. T-Mobile does it, Verizon does it, AT&T does it. If they go on one of their MVNOs, they're giving you a better deal than their prepaid deals. Of course, you know, they're a postpaid company, or companies, so they're most steadily focused on postpaid service. And of course, that's why they have MVNOs, or they lease their towers and this and that. So, like I said, for T-Mobile, you want to look at Metro. For Verizon, Visible Wireless, even Total Wireless, but I go with Visible. And then, of course, AT&T, Cricket Wireless. So, yeah. So, not bad. Like I said, these two are other things that other plans like US Mobile, Tello, Google Fi. Just basically telling you there are other options out there for you guys. So, I probably would say look elsewhere, guys, because you know, there are some other plans better out there for you. So, yeah. Let me know in the comments below, guys. Please comment, rate, subscribe. More videos coming your way. Check out the description below. And soon, guys, I will introduce phone reviews back in the channel. Just been really busy with doing other things, but more videos coming your way. You want to support the channel, check out the description below. You will support the channel and help out. Thanks so much.